Hi guys, so today I'm doing a 3x3 Rubik's Cube right here, and I'm doing this video because I was inspired because Mr. Mogi was doing videos lately and he's my friend, and I just figured that I might do this video. So now I'm doing this 3x3 right here, and I'm gonna mix it up. This is not a tutorial or anything, it's just me doing this video. And sorry if my little siblings are noisy. So that should be it. Make sure to like and subscribe to me and Mr. Mogi. I'll do a Mongolian version of this later. Did the white cross, now I'm doing the white corners. So I did the white first layer, now for the second layer. Mr. Mogi does gaming videos, mostly Roblox right now. He's my friend from Mongolia and I live in United States, California. So I did the second layer, now for the yellow cross. Now I did the yellow cross, now for to match up the corners. Corners are matched, and now to line them up. And done. Make sure to like and subscribe to me and Mr. Mogi. And maybe I might do some Beyblade videos. If you comment down below and subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell.